you're not on your T.
Hi, I'm Jem.
I'm Matt.
And this is TTR Motorsport. Go.
I'm just trying to think where to start. How far back do I go?
All the way.
TTR Motorsport was born from a passion for all things cars back in 1996 when I got my licence. Because I had a bit of space at home in my dad's double garage, we managed to look after a few of my friends' cars, and as time progressed, we basically grew into what we are today. So back in 2008, we set up TTR Motorsport, and we've been modifying cars ever since.
So TTR Motorsport does everything from modified road vehicles for track day enthusiasts and everything through to racing. So if you're a seasoned race driver, we can help build and maintain your race car too.
We also undertake full restorations here at TTR. Now, due to complexity and time length of these projects, we only tend to book a few in a year. We also undertake new track and race builds. So if you've got a car in mind, you just want to turn into a track car. So essentially you can roll in with a road car and drive out with a race car.
Yeah, so we understand the nuances or the complexities that it takes to get into track days or racing, and we are your partners when it comes to that. We have a dedicated customer area for our TTR customers here. So we understand that people come from far and wide. They might be here for the full day. They might want to carry on with some work or watch YouTube or just chill and relax and have a coffee. We have a dedicated customer area where you can carry on with your day and keep an eye on what's going on with your car.
Hi, my name's Ryan and I'm an alcoholic. I drive a Mark 6 GTI Golf Edition 35, so a bit rarer than normal models. Changed a lot of things on the car, more ready for track-based work. We do a dozen to 15 track days a year and just wanted to make the car more enjoyable on track. I've spent more time on the handling aspects of the car, looking after suspension, brakes, safety equipment, anti-roll bars, etc. Not only do a fantastic job on both my personal vehicles, but the friendliness and the general experience here is beyond fantastic.
For new builds, we can sit down, find out where it is you need to be with your car, and then go through the entire planning stage with you, from chassis prep to bare metal chassis prep, into roll cage installation, suspension specifications, engine specifications, what kind of electronic kit do you want in there? Do you want ABS, traction control, new ECU? We can pretty much take you from the start of your journey, from a bare shell, all the way through to the grid.
At TTR, we're just as passionate about your car as you are. So from a fast road car right the way through to a full track build, we're here for you.